Receive honors, unpacking the phrase for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, receive honors. This phrase can be a bit confusing, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Stay tuned to understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Receive honors is a phrase that's often used in academic and professional contexts. To receive something means to be given or awarded it. Honors are special recognitions or awards for outstanding achievements. So, when someone receives honors, it means they are being acknowledged for their exceptional work or performance. Let's look at some examples to understand this better. 1. In universities, a student might receive honors for excellent academic performance. 2. In a professional setting, an employee could receive honors for their contribution to a project. There are similar phrases that you might hear, like graduating with honors. This means completing a degree with a high academic standing. Honor roll, a list in schools recognizing students who have achieved high grades. When can you use receive honors? Here are some tips. In formal situations, like academic ceremonies. When talking about achievements in a professional context. Be careful not to confuse honors with honor, respect or esteem. For example, he was honored at the ceremony, means he was respected, not necessarily that he received an award. That's all for today's lesson on receive honors. We hope this video has helped clarify this phrase for you. Remember, English is a journey, and every step counts. Keep practicing, and you'll get there. See you in our next video.